Today in this video we will learn about how to uninstall WordPress via Softaculous. For that, log into cPanel and then go to Softaculous Apps Installer. Now here, go inside All Installations icon present at the top right corner. Now click on cross icon of your WordPress installation. Now click on remove installation here. Now you will find that your WordPress is now uninstalled successfully. All your files and your website is deleted with the WordPress account.